Hi, in this project, I am going to make a conversational AI system using LangChain and Mistral AI. So throughout the project, I am going to cover concepts like, working with LLMs, temperature and tokens as parameters, and message history for conversational memory. So it's not just about making a chatbot, but also to understand how AI application works behind the scene. Thank you.
So let's initializing the project. I have already created the requirements.txt and the env file. So the env file is used to securely store API keys and other sensitive environment variables. I won't be showing the actual API keys here for security reasons, but you can easily find tutorials on YouTube explaining how to generate API keys, especially for Mistral AI and other providers. So I'm going to use Mistral AI. So specifically, you can watch for Mistral AI. I can show you requirement.txt, which is already open. So it contains all the important Python modules and dependency required for this project. Now the next step is to create the virtual environment. So we are going to use UV. Okay, UVVENV. As you can see, it's already created. Just copy this to activate our virtual environment. So this is activated. As you can see, YouTube is written here. Now the next step is to install all the modules which are in requirement.txt file. So let's do that. UV pip install -r requirements spelling. UV is actually very fast, that's why I'm using it. It's very popular. See how fast it is downloaded. So now just make a chatbot, a simple chatbot which will just answer our queries. Okay. See, now just load the env file so that I can use our models. Oh, sorry, from .env. I'm sorry. This is a very important first step. Now, LangChain Mistral AI, because we are going to use it. We are directly going to use model class. I think this is, there are some spelling mistake. That just verify with ChatGPT, or I can use also GitHub Copilot. But as you can see, it has given me everything. Also model name. Let's just copy. So now I can question anything. Result is equal to model dot invoke. Hi. It should answer. Oh. Let's just wait. See, it has given me answer. Hi, how can I help you today? And lots of things, but we only want content. So let's just copy it, print, actually here. See, simply I got. Now let's add a loop so that it makes me feel like that I am talking to ChatGPT. Okay, like I will ask a question, then he will answer, then again I will ask a question, then he will answer. Okay, so let's just do it. So prompt which human will send as input. Okay, and then if prompt like this, just nothing, then print chat ended, just break it. Okay, result is equal to prompt. That's it. Let's just check it. Explain me quantum physics like I am 10 years old. Now an LLM will work and see. Okay, imagine the world like a giant video game, blah blah blah. So now if I just enter chat ended. Great. This is first glance of our chatbot. Now I will make it super advanced. Okay, not super advanced, but yeah, more than this. Now I want to introduce two things, that is temperature and tokens. So what is temperature and tokens? So I can start it here. Temperature is what? So temperature sets the behavior of the chatbot basically. So it will set the how creative and how blunt my AI is basically. So how predictable the answer he will give or how creative ideas he will give. So it depends on high temperature and low temperature. And then I will talk about tokens. So token is what, that how much words or letters, because token can differ based on model. Okay, so token can be divided into letters, words, sentences. So it just depend on the model. Okay, so suppose I set token max token 0.20. I am not sure that it is max token or what, but still, if it give me error or what. To add s. As you can see, this has stopped just here. Okay, this did not give me the whole poem because it has token limit of 20. Okay, so yeah, I think you got it. Let's move to next topic, which is message history. So now the next concept is message history. In almost every AI system, maintaining message history is extremely important. Okay, for example, suppose I tell my model, your name is Superbora. Then later, if I ask, what is your name? The model may respond something like, I don't have a name. So let's check it out. Okay. Oh my god. Hi, what is your name? I don't have a name. See, can I give you a name? Name is Super Bora. That's cool name. Okay. Now if I again ask this, what is your name? It will say I don't have a name. Okay. See, this happens because the model is not automatically remembering previous conversations. So we have to store our conversation somewhere. Okay. So this is a basic chatbot. So I will just use a simple list. Okay. For now, in future I will teach you something advanced. So since now I have not set up any system to store and pass the conversation history. So let's set it. Okay. Messages. Sorry. Messages. This is a list and I'm going to store it. Messages dot append prompt. Then again. Yeah, here. Messages dot append what result. Okay. And here if obviously I have to set here messages. Okay, because he have to see the whole conversation history, then he will answer me. Print messages. Sorry, print messages. Check it. Now if I ask, hi, what's your name? I don't have a name. Okay, so let's just copy and paste it. That's cool name. I've set limits token, that's why it stopped. Okay, so what is your name? If I again ask this, you can call me Super Vora. So now it remembered the name Super Vora because I have stored conversation history. Okay, that's why implementing message history is very important for building conversational AI systems. Okay, see, now you can see the whole conversation history because I have stored in a list. Okay, I think project is finished.